Okay, I'm really high up in the mountains right now, and I'm just going to show you this really steep walkway. As you can see, if you can see that, I'm pretty high up here, and there's not much between the walkway and the edge. But I'm going to try to film this as I walk up it without sliding off. But this is a regular hiking trail. This ain't the bad part yet. I don't know if you can tell how steep it is on the video, but wow. If I didn't have the ropes here, you would probably slide off. And there's nothing you can grab onto if you do slide off. Man, a lot of mosquitoes. Alright, here we go. Whew. Okay. Now I have some ropes I can go on to. Coming down is a lot scarier than going up, as usual. And it keeps going and going. I don't know how much longer that rope's gonna last. Sorry, the video is kind of bumpy. I need a better camera for this. Oh, here's a good spot to see. Yeah, I'm a lot higher than I was before. You can't really see it. Go a little higher, maybe you can see. Oh, wow. Okay. Out through that group of trees is where I was before when I took the pictures and put them on Facebook. I'm a lot higher than that. But I can't go to the top of this mountain because for some reason there's an Air Force base on top of the mountain, and they have lined the top with landmines. So can't get to the very top. Let me look back down. Yeah, so I'm pretty much at the highest point I can go on here. But yeah, it's pretty fun. I'm gonna see how much farther it goes before I go back. Okay, so I lied. That's the highest I can go, but here's a better picture of the other place I was at. You can see that. Let's see. But I can show you the sign about the landmines. Oh wow. Oh, not having two hands is bad. Right there. It says past mine zone. Lined in the saw briar wire, whatever you call it, I don't know. But yeah. It's a little closer. Saw wire. I mean business. And talk about a narrow trail with rocks where you can slide off at any time. Jeez, man. Oh, adventure. This is fun to me. See, I haven't been this far yet. Okay, I know this may be a runoff from water, but I can't help but think that all these rocks mean that one of the landmines has gone off before and blew all these rocks down here. I was just thinking about that, like what if a tree fell or a rock fell and set one of them off? And I would think it might look like this, but who knows? I would hope they wouldn't put any landmines right next to the path. You know, like right past the wire here. Hope not. Yeah, that's gotta be man-made. Looks like I just didn't make it to the temple in time. Usually they close at like 5, but I guess he's closing a little early, but oh well. I got some pictures of it, but not what I wanted. Maybe I'll come back here another time, since I know how to get here now. But I'll see you later.